Every business owner wants to see their company thrive, but in today's crowded, fast-paced world, hard work alone isn't enough. The competition is fierce, and customers are more informed than ever. To get ahead, you need an edge, a secret weapon that's already within your reach, your business's own data. Every sale, customer interaction, and marketing campaign generates valuable information. This data tells the real story of your business, what's working, what's not, and where your next big opportunity lies. Too often, businesses let this goldmine go untapped, relying on gut feelings instead of facts. But you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The practice of turning raw data into actionable insights is called business intelligence, or BI. BI is now accessible to businesses of all sizes, empowering you to make smarter decisions and move with confidence. In this guide, we'll break down BI in simple terms, show how it fuels growth, and help you get started. You'll see real-world examples and practical tools you can use right away. By the end, you'll realize BI isn't intimidating. It's a practical, powerful way to build a smarter, more successful business. Let's unlock your business's secret weapon. Business intelligence isn't just about fancy software or endless spreadsheets. At its core, BI is a mindset, a commitment to making decisions based on evidence, not just intuition. Think of your business as a body. Daily operations gather information, and BI is the brain that turns it into action. It connects the dots, showing how marketing impacts sales or how supply chain changes affect customer satisfaction. BI can be as simple as reviewing sales reports or as advanced as using dashboards for real-time insights. The tool matters less than the habit of using data to guide your next move. BI transforms data from a passive byproduct into a strategic asset, moving you from reactive to proactive. That's the real power of business intelligence. Adopting a BI mindset unlocks real growth by providing clarity in 4 key areas: what works, who your customers are, where you can be more efficient, and what's coming next. BI replaces guesswork with knowledge, letting you invest resources where they matter most. It helps you double down on successes and cut losses quickly by revealing which products or channels truly drive profit. BI uncovers deep customer insights, who buys, when, and why, so you can personalize experiences and build loyalty. It also acts as your crystal ball, spotting trends and market shifts before your competitors do. With BI, you're proactive, not reactive, ready to innovate and seize new opportunities. That's how businesses move from surviving to thriving. BI is your engine for sustainable growth. The businesses that win today are those that truly understand their customers. BI lets you move beyond basic demographics to build a detailed portrait of who buys from you and why. For example, you might discover your fastest-growing segment isn't who you expected, changing your marketing and product strategy overnight. BI reveals the entire customer journey, highlighting friction points like cart abandonment or opportunities for upselling. With this knowledge, you can personalize offers, like recommending matching products based on purchase history. Customers feel seen and valued, turning transactions into relationships. This deep understanding builds loyalty and sets you apart from competitors. BI transforms customers from numbers into individuals you truly know. That's the foundation for lasting growth. Know your customer, and you'll always have the edge. Growth isn't just about more sales, it's about running leaner, smarter operations. Every business has hidden inefficiencies that drain time and money. BI shines a light on these, showing exactly where to improve. For example, tracking production data might reveal a single machine causing costly delays, or finance data might uncover redundant software subscriptions. With BI, you can target fixes, like preventative maintenance or consolidating expenses, freeing up resources for growth. This applies across departments from HR to customer service. Streamlined processes mean faster fulfillment, happier customers, and a team focused on high-value work. Operational efficiency isn't just cost-cutting, it's building a resilient, scalable business. BI is your roadmap to doing more with less. Make every resource count. Let's see BI in action with a real-world example. A small gourmet food store owner relied on intuition until profits started shrinking. She invested in a modern point-of-sale system to track every sale. The data revealed her signature imported cheeses were unprofitable, while local baked goods and sandwiches were best sellers. She shifted focus, expanded the bakery, and targeted promotions to local office workers. Inventory was optimized, waste reduced, and cash flow improved. Within 6 months, profits rose 15% and food waste dropped 40%. Staffing was adjusted for peak hours, improving service. She didn't need a team of analysts, just the courage to listen to her data. BI turned her business around. You don't need expensive software to start with BI. The best tools are often the ones you already have, like Excel or Google Sheets. Use them to track sales, visualize trends, and monitor key metrics. As you grow, consider user-friendly platforms like Google Looker Studio, Power BI, or Tableau. These tools let you build interactive dashboards and connect data sources with ease. Focus on ease of use. Choose tools you'll actually use regularly. Start small. Pick one area, like sales or marketing, and analyze that data first. As you see results, expand your BI efforts gradually. The journey begins with a single step, often just opening a spreadsheet. Simplicity and consistency are your allies. Smart decisions start with clear, accessible data. Data alone is meaningless. It's the questions you ask that turn it into intelligence. Before analyzing, define what you want to achieve: higher profits, better retention, or improved efficiency. Ask focused questions tied to your goals like, which products have the highest margins, or where do we lose customers? Start with the what's happening in your business, then dig into the why. Combine your experience with data to uncover real insights. Foster a culture of curiosity. Encourage your team to challenge assumptions and seek answers in the data. When everyone thinks with a data-informed mindset, you unlock collective intelligence. The heart of BI isn't software. It's a curious mind seeking to improve. Let your questions lead the way. We've explored what BI is, how it drives growth, and how to get started. Now it's your turn. Embracing data doesn't mean changing everything overnight. Just take one small, focused step. Start by picking one business question that matters, like, where do my best customers come from? Gather the relevant data, even if it's just in a spreadsheet. Look for patterns, trends, and surprises, then discuss them with your team. The goal isn't instant breakthroughs, but building comfort and momentum with data. The future will only get more competitive and data-rich. Businesses that harness information will thrive. By starting your BI journey now, you're building a more agile, resilient organization. Embrace curiosity, ask the right questions, and let your data guide you. Your secret weapon is waiting. The future belongs to the data-driven.